All right, so now we have our spray insulation on the backing of our blue insulation foam. This is going to be the back for our fairy garden terrarium. And so we are going to start carving. Now, when you have the spray insulation, it's got, after it dries, it has this really shiny film to it. And before you can put your clear silicone down and then press in your cocoa fiber and cocoa bark on it, you have to get rid of this shiny film. So that means we have to go in and cut away at least the top layer. And this is also the time that I like to, define, make my ledges, cut around my pots, fix around the branches where it has been, it touches. So this is where I do all my defining, make all of my tree textures and all of that sort of stuff. As you can see over here, the puff stuff has, filled in my pot. So I'll go and clean all of this area. And again, just take all of the shiny part off of the foam and make it look more like a jungle tree forest situation. So we're going to go ahead and get started. One of the things is we're going to also put in our door. As you can see, I'm going to get Chris to cut off this last bit for me. And so I'm going to be marking where I want my door. I'm going to try to get this, situated inside, because this will be the ledge. And then I also have my windows that I'm going to be placing in here. So I will cut away in the foam so they will, inset in there. And then this one, I don't know if I'm going to stick this one there or there. We'll see how it goes after we carve. But that's what I'm going to be doing for the next bit. And I will be fast forwarding so you can see how that goes. And then after I carve everything and get it how I want, then we will go ahead and start putting the silicone and the cocoa fiber on the back. All right, here we go.